Here I've got HUAWEI P40 Lite E, and let me show you how to activate blue light filter on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select display, and here select eye comfort mode, right here. To activate it, just tap on enable, and as you can see now it's active. You can personalize it by tapping on the scale, so you can pick some warmer or cooler colors, it's up to you. Then you can switch it off the same way smoothly by tapping on this icon. Now if you would like to schedule your eye comfort mode, just tap on scheduled, and now pick the period of time, so it can be between 11 and 6 AM next day. So from now on, every day between 11 PM and 6 AM next day, eye comfort mode will be automatically activated, and then obviously at 6 deactivated. This is it, but you can also have a super quick access to this mode through the upper bar. Smoothly slide it down and click on eye comfort mode right here. And as you can see, now it is active. Then if you would like to switch it off, click on eye comfort again, and it has been deactivated. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.